Bonjour YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I am Neuralex. This is gonna be my reaction for ending number 3 of Chainsaw Man. Okay, as you all know, this season of Chainsaw Man, maximum budget here, all the money in the world by Mappa, is having a different ending for each episode. And the reason I wanted to do a reaction for this, thank you Mihai again, is basically because it's Maximum the Hormones, who did the second OP for Death Note, which is one of my favorite OP ever, because I'm a metalhead, you know, Maximum the Hormones. I cannot skip that. Let's check it out. Chainsaw Man ending number 3 by Maximum the Hormones. Here we go. Big bass. Oh. Oh yeah. In the name of devil. Yeah. Oh yeah. The imagery is also yeah. Oh my god. They're on drugs. Oh yeah, that's Maximum the Hormones, all right. Wow. Yeah! I cannot believe this is mainstream in Japan. Yeah! For me, Maximum the Hormones sounds like they are like System of a Down crazy Japanese cousin or something. Do you know what I mean? And that female voice too, that was great. They're crazy. And that's the thing that blows my mind a bit. Also, like the rumbling on Attack on Titan is like they put those songs, especially that one like had nothing, you know, chorus, verse, chorus, you know, like classic. It's just like a crazy song. That middle part, like I was barely understanding, and now I'm a metalhead. I'm into like technical death metal and stuff like this, so I was just like, whoa, with electronic mixed up. And here's the thing, when I do like OP or ending reaction, I'm more focused on the music than the imagery. The imagery is great too. Like the imagery is great, but oh my god, they're crazy. Can you imagine, like they did the Death Note OP back in 2006 or something, and here we are like 15, 16, almost like years later, and they're just as crazy, if not crazier. You gotta check more for those guys. All right, so that was my ending 3 reaction. It's just a little tease. You can wait for the actual episode 3 reaction, which should come out just a bit later today. So stay tuned and stay safe.